I am the first cousin, Kallag to Bali Breizh, and I took a stroll down by the seaside, a sick in good fortune, and walked by Bretagne. 'Twas just that the day was a dawning. Then after resting we both took a tram, and we met Sergeant Hopper and Corporal Cram, and beside we drummer who beat up our camp with his rowdy dow in the morning. He says, my young fellows, if you will enlist, a guinea you quickly should have in your fist, and beside the crown for to kick up the dust and bring the king's out in the morning. I've been such fools as to take the advance. With a wee bit of money we had to run chance. Do you think it us cripple for to send us to France, where we would be killed in the morning? He says, my young fellows, I hear but one word. I instantly now will open my sword, and into your bodies I swing with the fort. So now my gay devils take warning. Then after and I we took the odds, and we gave them no chance for to launch of these words. Our walking shillelaghs came over their heads and paid the right smart in the morning. As for the wheat drummer, we rifled his pouch, and we made a football of his rounded down low, and into the ocean to rock and to roll, and Bali the tedious returning. As for the old red curd that hung by side, we flung it as far as we could in the tide. To the devil I picture, says out among bright, to temper your still in the morning.